They remember the fiery furnace, where God was a shield against the flames.
God saves.
And the lion's den, where God closed the mouths of the hungry.
He protects us.
Now they walk forward with unshakable confidence in their protector.